High efficiency, strong penetration, easy to navigate, safe and reliable, smart and convenient. Meet the brand new DJI Agras T20 Pro. The truss-style body with foldable arms. More portable, easy to be stored. 7-meter spray width enhances efficiency to 11 hectares per hour. A machine with raw power and performance. Magnetic drive impeller pump completely segregates chemicals from motor, less corrosion, more durable. The dual atomized sprinkler creates a more even particle size to maximize usage. Anti-drip centrifugal valve controls fluid precisely without dripping. Integrated spraying system can be easily transformed to the new spreading system. Spraying, spreading, you name it. Spreading payload improves to 25 kilograms. T20 Pro spreads 1 ton fertilizer per hour, covers multiple scenarios, fulfills all your needs. Generates powerful downward wind field, allowing insecticides to penetrate trees thoroughly. Binocular vision and phased array radar, a spatial intelligence sensing system, reveal hazards in complex terrain. High bright spotlights increase night vision capabilities. Brand new UHD FPV camera, adjustable gimbal tilt, allows seamless capture of HD images in orchard. With all new intelligent remote controller and DRTK2 mobile station, makes local offline mapping possible. Generate precise 3D routes for hilly orchard terrain. For farmland operations, hassle-free route planning with automatic flight path optimization. Mapping and operations all in one. P4 multispectral generates prescription maps. T20 Pro can adjust spraying or spreading amount according to crop growth. Targeted treatment, low cost, high yield. New multifunctional inverter generator and T20 Pro intelligent flight battery. 9-minute speed charging without waiting. Charging module can be removed individually. Supports utility power. Caters to various charging scenarios. This is the new DJI Agras T20 Pro. Superior performance at best value.